not alone, we're going home. No pain will last forever. Let's look at the stars high in the sky. Believe that there's no limit. We are not alone, we're going home. No pain will last forever. Let's look at the stars.
Since Soul has kids now, should I make him a partner? Or should he be a single father? Or should I make a video on his background about his past and breakups he's been through? Or partner and backstory video? Or no partner or backstory video? Answer in the comments. Love you all, bye. Sorry I made that really confusing.